If you would like to make a hairband or bag for ladies, I recommend this design because it is sturdy, unique and beautiful, and you don't even need expensive materials to make them. All you need is a lighter, a candle glue, or a needle and thread as alternative, a button or stone as embellishment, a sharp scissors, and an elastic hairband. You can use a bridal or doll face satin as a material for the best result. For this video, I am using a square cut bridal satin with the measurement of 2.5 by 2.5 inches. To form the petals, you will first of all fold the piece in two to achieve a triangular figure, and then wrap the arms of the triangular piece around each other. Fold the piece in two for the small arms to meet each other, and then drag the arms backwards. Trim off the edge and then seal with your lighter. We will need 12 pieces of this to form our flower. You can use a tweezer to control the flame from burning your finger. Do this for the rest of the petals. Now we have our petals ready. It's time to assemble them to form our flower. The flower will be made up of 2 layers, which comprises of 6 petals. Using our glue, we will assemble 6 petals in a circular row. First of all, drop a small size glue on one petal and attach the next one to it. Continue this process until you complete a circle of 6 pieces of petals. Once you are done, complete the next arrangement and join them together, placing one on top of the other. While doing this, ensure that the tips of these petals faces a different direction. At this point, you can apply your centerpiece. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you are using a needle and thread, you will need to apply more force because the petals are thick. And you will also need to join each petal from the base. You will need a bigger needle and the help of a thick fabric to push the needle through the petal. Once you have a complete set of 6, you can fasten the thread. To keep this still, you will need to secure the base with a circular piece cut out from a tougher material. After this, you can now apply your centerpiece. This is just one layer of arrangement. You can see the difference between the two forms of arrangement. With a double layer, this fabric flower looks full. To form this flower into a hair pack, I will be using this circular piece cut out from scuba and this narrow piece from a ribbon. Simply fold the circular piece in half and cut it open with 2 short slats from your scissors. Then pass the narrow piece through it and fix your elastic band in between as the narrow piece crosses the center. Now use a glue to hold the piece in place. You can trim off where necessary. Now apply a glue at the base of your flower and attach your elastic band. This looks perfect. Ensure to subscribe to get notified on more videos to come.